Hello there, my name is Melinda C, and this is the second part of my tutorial on Farm Type Manager Config Editor for Stardew Valley. Now, on my first part, I explained how to use the Farm Type Manager Config Editor for basic stuff. And what Farm Type Manager does. Now the second part, I am going to expand on that by using other mods for both custom maps and custom items. For custom maps, I'm going to be using Stardew Valley Expanded, and for custom items, I'm going to be using from the Florist and my own content pack, Fizzy Drinks. Now, Farm Type Manager is required for Stardew Valley Expanded, whereas From the Florist is an optional add-on. Of course, my mod and need to have it. Now, in order to find Farm Type Manager Config Editor, you need to go to your mods folder and Farm Type Manager, and it should be here, the web browser icon. If you don't know where your mods folder is, if you're using Steam, it'll be under Steam/apps. If you're using GOG, it'll be under GOG Galaxy/games, and of course Stardew Valley mods. Now I am going to load the Stardew Valley Farm Type Manager file, and as you can see, it automatically does it. And there. Now, as you can see, everything should be loaded. These are all the map links. You see, it's pretty extensive. Now we're going to work on one map in particular, the Blue Moon Vineyard. That's supposed to be this. Now, as you can see, when I chose that, the map name changes, the spawning rate changes. You can always go to the content folder and change stuff as well, but this is a bit easier for some people. Now, pretty much. Now most of these are from the Florist. You can also add other items from that mod. Now, you can go to mods and go, you need to go to the JA file of From the Florist, and you can see there's crops. The crops will tell you the name of the flower as well as the season and other information. Right now, we just want the name. Now, it's easy, pretty extensive list, and you would choose mostly, I think, all of these. However, there is one other flower. It is the daisy. The daisy is only a forage item, so it won't appear in the crops folder, but you can add it on, as I did here, because you can, anything from the folders can be used. Now, note that I use names here because JSON doesn't give set ID numbers. Names are usually to the goal. If you're from the default game, it would be ID numbers because they're all set. Now, as you can see, I included my own items here. That's okay. There's no winter forage from either mod, so we're gonna skip that. Spawn locations. As you can see, the corner's already been invited, so don't worry about that. Spawn timing is here. Please note this is 6 o'clock a.m., so you can change that, of course. And here the expectations, days until spawn is 5 a day, so only lasts a day. And you can also do it by year, season, days, and other additions. I'm not gonna do that. And here is the global. Now you can see these are all index numbers, and there's a few extra ones. 296 is salmonberry, for example. There's also mushrooms here. Some of it would have fiddlehead worm. I think that's it. Now, as you can see, you can change it, but everything, the settings is pretty much the same. As you can see, there's a lot of other stuff such as forest, but I'm not going to go there now. This is a full for it. Go to the other options and go to other mods. As you can see, all of the required mods are here. Now, you must go here and type the unique ID. How do you find a unique ID? You have to go to the manifest file, and here it is. The unique ID is this. The name, offer name usually goes before the mod name, but this is where you can find it. Now, you check everything within the quotes, and it will be here. And as you can see, all of us do have our own FTM file. That's okay. You don't really need to have an FTM file. You can use a JA file as well, but it doesn't matter as long as the unique ID is correct. Now, there's another thing I want. Reset main data. If you click on this, it resets after every update. Now, Form Type Manager does save your data, so if you don't click here, it will save it. Now, you may accidentally click on this and it will reset. So I recommend that you make a backup file just in case. Now, the farmer name. In case you have more than one file that is modded, you can just enter your farmer name here, add name, and it'll set. Now, since I don't have that, I'm not going to worry about that. Now, this is the other part. You have to, once you're done, you can click on save, and it will save your folder right here. Now, all you can do is, go here. Now, you can Control A, delete, Control A on the file.exe, copy and paste. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to save, of course. And there you have it. Farm Type Manager is an excellent tool for spawning stuff. It's now being used for the beach, the big quarry, and even farm maps. Well, thank you for your time. Now, if you have any questions regarding this video, please let me know. If you have any questions regarding the mods I mentioned, I'll post links so you can hopefully get your answers there. Now, I think once again, thank you for your time and good luck.